Just want to do an office tour so everyone knows what to expect when they get here. If you look to the side here, here's our waiting room. We have a question board. We like to ask questions and give us feedback and things like that. If you come on through here, we have our front desk area. We have our very own bathroom. Coming down the hall. We have some supplements. We have orthotics, special pillows that everyone loves to take home. In through room 1, this is our first room that you come into. We have our treatment. We have our very own X-ray. This is also our office. And this table is perfect for our pregnant moms. This piece here swings down to make room for belly up. As you grow bigger, most of our patients love to lay down there because they can never lay on their stomachs. So this is room 2. This table is great. It helps people stretch out. And this piece slides down like this, helps stretch out the low back. It's great for anyone that sits all day, stands all day, works out. This table does it all. It does the same things as stretching in room 2, and this also swings away like it does in room 1 for those pregnant moms. This is everyone's favorite part. We have our massage tables here. There's a wheel in here that helps loosen up the low back, decreases any inflammation or tightness in the back. Basically, it's a fancy massage for about 10 minutes before you get adjusted.